In this video, I'll show you how to use stock images in a Canvas app. Now, I've just opened a simple Canvas app which is named as Stamps Management and currently it does not have any. I've just starting it from scratch. Now, if you want to add an image control, what you will do is like you will just go into plus insert and search for image, and under media you have an image, and then from here you will go ahead and upload that image. So you go to image, you click on upload, and whatever image you have you will just go ahead and upload it. So let me pick up this image and this image gets uploaded. Now as you see over here I can expand this image, but like if you say, take for example, if you do not have any image and if you want to make use of already existing image within the uh, platform, then how you can go ahead and do that. So again the same thing, plus image. Now instead of browsing it through your computer, you have an option to select from the stock images. So as you see over here, stock images. So if I select stock images, then I get a whole bunch of options. Now this is a subset of the creative content library. The full library is available to Microsoft 365 subscribers. So if you are a M365 subscriber, then you will get a whole bunch of options. Now, the stock images are divided into images, cutout people, and sticker. So, images, you select any image you want. Say, if I select this image, I'll click on insert, and this image will get placed over here. Again, I'll pick up the image, go to image, stock images, and this time as you see the selection over here, I have an option to select an image, or maybe in from the category side, I will just click on wildlife, day, environment, and then the image category gets sorted based on that. So if I want to search for say eagle, I will just type in eagle, and then I will find this eagle image, and this image I can now expand here. Yeah, again I'll select the image from the stock images over here, and this time I'm going to pick up say cutout. So I'll pick up the cutout of say this person. So let me go to stock images, go to cutout people, select this image, click on insert, and it will load that image. Again, clicking on image, this time I'm gonna go to stock images and I will pick out stickers. So I have got whole bunch of stickers over here. So let me pick up this one sticker, click on insert, and then this is the sticker I have inserted within my application. Now, as you see this image, now it's sometimes difficult to know what this image name is. So this is sticker om g triple o. This one is 018. Now as you see over here, so if you want to say change the image of this, you can just go ahead and pick up this image. So sticker omgoo, and then you will be able to select that. So you can select the already uploaded stickers or cutout or images. Now here in media, so on the left hand side, if you see this media over here, these are the images which you have uploaded. Now if I click on add media, then I get an option of stock images over here. So I'll click on stock images, then I'll pick up say clock, click on insert, and then that image should be uploaded over here. So as you see over here, this image is uploaded. Now I can just go ahead and drag and drop this image. So instead of adding a control and then selecting an image, you just upload it and then you can utilize this over here. Now here, there is no option to rename your image. So as you see over here, there is no option to rename your image. You can just drag and drop the image, and here if I go to stock image and maybe I'll just call it as a flag. So I don't have a flag image, so maybe I'll just call it as say person. So I'll just select this people, And now the image which gets uploaded is renamed as 12150 something. I do not have an option to rename it. I can just pick up and then paste it over here. So basically, this is how you can use the stock images within your application. So there are a couple of options, as I mentioned to you. On the left hand side, you can go to media and then add a stock image, or you just select that control, the media, the image control, uh, and then once you upload, drag that image control, you have an option to select from the properties pane. You can directly upload the stock image. You can either upload it from a file source, or you can just say no images, and you can upload it programmatically. Now, as you see over here, the image which we have selected, the image is pointing to this text, right? This one is pointing to this one is pointing to this. So that means this is the reference point through which you can uh, point through this particular image. So if the image name is sticker omg triple o dot png, then the image name is this. Okay, and this is how you can select it. So that's it, folks. This is how you basically you can use stock images within your Canvas app. Thanks for watching.